How to log into your TJX Employee Account. This quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily log into your TJX Employee Account. So first thing, just head over to your Anywhere browser and simply search in for TJX Employee Login, and once you search in for that, you can just tap on this first link which appears over here, so which is the official website of tjx.com. And once you're inside, you remember that this is only working for US client or US based account. So once you're inside, you just enter your first name and last name exactly as it appears on either your paycheck stub or your associate discount card. So once you keep that in mind, you can find the last 4 digits of your associate identification number, that is AIN, on either your paycheck stub or just like your associate discount card. So let me just quickly fill that up for you to show an example of how it may look like. Once we enter all of those details just like this, now simply click on I am not a robot from over here and fill the captcha real quick. Finally click on submit, and once your details are matched, you can easily log into your account for TJX Employee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.